This mini lesson is about molarity. I'm going to make a 1 molar solution of copper chloride. And I'm going to make it in this cute little flask here. The common misconception is that 1 molar means 1 mole. But it's not 1 mole of copper chloride. Let me show you why. This beaker has a mole of copper chloride in it. It is inconceivable that I can put a mole of copper chloride in this little flask. So molarity does not mean the same as moles. Instead, molarity indicates a concentration. The concentration is 1 mole per liter. 1 mole per liter. That's what 1 molar means. Alright, so if 1 molar means 1 mole per liter, it's time to do some math. This expresses how you would write 1 mole per liter as a ratio. 1 mole per is the line, a liter is 1,000 milliliters. But I'm not making a liter, I'm going to make this little flask's worth. That's a 50 milliliter flask. So this is my proportion. 1 mole per liter. How many moles? In 50 milliliters. So this should look to you like simple proportional reasoning. 1 molar solution, but I'm only making 50 milliliters of it. When you solve that, you get an answer of 0.050 moles. Very simple algebra. So I'm going to weigh that out. Got my scale, got my copper chloride, got my scoop. It turns out I need 8.5 grams of copper chloride. So that's what I'm getting. That is 0.050 moles. So that's a decent size heap of copper chloride. Almost there. There we go. Okay, so that's my 0.050 moles of copper chloride. Going to dissolve that in 50 milliliters of water. Okay, so here's now my 50 milliliters of water. Got my magic bean. Going to add my water to the copper chloride. Going to put it on the magic bean machine. Going to stir it up till it's all dissolved. As it does so, you can see it's getting nice and blue. That blue color is indicative of the copper ions that are now separated from the chloride ions. Here are 2 solutions of copper chloride. The solution on the left, 1 molar. The solution on the right, 1/10 molar, 0.1 molar. You can see that although they have approximately the same type of color, the 1 molar solution is clearly more concentrated, more moles in each liter of solution. That is a visual example of what molarity means. One more example. Flask on the left, 0.05 moles in 50 milliliters. That's 1 molar. Flask on the right, 0.005 moles in 50 milliliters. 1/10 as many moles in the same volume. That's 0.1 molar.